Understand?
India is a
Number
democratic
otti. Number ottli.
India is a democratic country. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಂತ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಂಬರ್ ಒತ್ತಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಒತ್ತೋದೇ ಇದು ಡೆಮೊಕ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ.
ಬೆನ್ನಿನ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ 3 ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್
ಇದು
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
What is this?
ಇದು ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಕೊಡು.
Bye.
ಇದು YouTube ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ. Bye.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to leave this person to Hubli and I am going to stay in Hubli today night with my uncle and cousin. Tomorrow plan to go to Dandeli for birding. And this drive is going in between the weekend curfew. So let's see where all police catches us and doing some church with them. Okay, let's fight.
Our ride started at 2 p.m. from Udupi, picked my uncle and cousin and started in NH66 towards Ankola. MARAVANTHE beach is located near Kundapur, where the seashore is just beside the road, and on the another side of the road you have a beautiful looking river. In this route we get 3 tolls, and the best part of the tolls is you have a very clean washroom and a large area to park your car and eat your stuff or take rest.
ಏನ್ ಜೋರುಂಟು
After about 140 kilometers, I took the driving seat and enjoyed the wonderful national highway driving with lots of diversions. That's the common thing which we face in India, and we took right towards the Yellapur-Hubli road, which is an amazing scenic road. You get even one waterfalls in between.
Okay, we are done with. Wait, I'll let you know. Done with 185 kilometers and now stopped in middle of road somewhere. Udupi. Now stopped in the middle of the road and my cousin is doing birding. He found some bird it seems. So doing birding. Let's see. Trucks and all are coming.
After a drive about 5 hours, we reached the road between Hubli and Dharwad. That's where my sister's college is situated. We had a yummy dinner at the SDM Medical College mess, and later we headed towards our hotel that was the stay for that night. The President Hotel Hubli is one of the finest hotels of Hubli, which you get in the best price, which is very luxurious and very spacious. Day 2 will be continued.